Get column names from query result using Pymssql. Is there any way to get the column names from the Pymssql results? If I specify as_dict equals true, I get back a dictionary, which does contain all the column headers, but since it is a dictionary, they are not ordered.
Pymssql claims to support the Python DB API, so you should be able to get the .description attribute from your cursor object. .description. So, the first item in each of the cleaner sequences is the name for each column.
It's a basic solution and need optimizing, but the below example returns both column header and column value in a list.
To get the column names on a single comma separated line. Alternatively, pass the column names to a list and use .join to get them as string.
You can create a list of ordered column names using list comprehension on the cursor description attribute.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.